Hello and welcome. I am the Armchair Audiophile, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the HiBy R5. This is the exciting latest model from HiBy, the same company that brought you the R6 Pro, R6, and R3. It slots between those two lines at $399. I paid full price for this unit on Amazon through HiBy authorized distributor Music Tech, who is currently throwing in this nice 4.4mm balanced to 2.5mm balanced adapter, because this is a 3.5mm and 4.4mm only device. There's no 2.5mm third output as you would get on the FiO M11. Here's the unit. I say exciting because the HiBy R6 Pro kind of stunned the world with a full watt of output power per channel balanced, and we've all been waiting for a sort of mid-tier entry from HiBy for a while, but I really didn't expect them to go quite that hard in the paint on this model. But this unit will output a full watt per channel balanced at 16 ohms. That drops to about 585 milliwatts at 32 ohms. But still, we're going to do some testing with the tin Hi-Fi P1 in a minute, and that's a 20 ohm headphone. So you're going to be getting probably between 800 and 900 milliwatts per channel out of this unit. And I said in that review that they scale up to about a half a watt, so you should be getting the tin P1s at full potential on this. So, if you really love planars, or the tin P1 in particular, you could go ahead and grab the HiBy R5, a balanced 4.4mm Pentacon cable, and be good to go. I mean, that's it. Go anywhere, do anything. Mobile, high-res, planar goodness. Let's see if I can insert an SD card like an adult. There we go. Fire this up. While that's going on, I'm going to go ahead and pull packaging off of this, get it out, set that aside. That's lovely. Not sure if you can see that clearly, but it's got the KN logo there, which is kind of nice because I really like my KN N5 Mark II, and it's a nice little throwback. Let's see, English. Eastern. Finish. Okay, so what we're greeted with here is pretty close to stock Android 8.1. Critically, this unit has Google Play services and the Google Play Store right out of the box, which the FiO M11 and the entire iBasso line, to my knowledge, do not have. What this means is it'll be a lot easier for you to go ahead and download any music, streaming, or player apps that you enjoy. I'm going to go ahead and sign in right now and download Google Play Music and Bandcamp so that we can do some listening impressions. While I'm doing that, we can talk about some stats. This unit, much like the R6 and R6 Pro, are equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 SoC. It has 2 gigs of RAM versus the 3 gigs in the R6 line. It is equipped with dual Cirrus Logic CS43198 DACs. One second here. Okay, we're back. I had no problem getting the R5 to connect to my 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi and sign into Google Play Music. I did discover that the Android keyboard is a little difficult to use at this screen size, and that the included pre-installed screen protector appears to be affecting the screen responsiveness. Like, at first I thought the device itself was lagging when you try to, but it turns out that I just had to press a little bit harder than I'm used to get inputs to register on the screen. And I think I'm going to end up taking this screen protector off because that is really kind of annoying me. As nice a thought as it was to include it, the screen protector on my Canon over here does not do that. So I'll have to think about that. I had a chance to listen to a few tracks on the 10 Hi-Fi P1s with this, and banging. You know what I mean? They sound pretty much like they're plugged into the X-Can or my desktop rig. They're scaling about as far as they do. The separation, I think, on the balanced output here is a little bit better than on the Can, but the overall signature is a little bit more analytical, a little cooler. The Can has kind of a warm elevation in sort of the lower mids to mid bass, I think, and this is a little bit more neutral than that. Comes off a tiny bit less euphonic, but probably more accurate ultimately. There's some really neat EQ features on this device, as well as a bunch of other really interesting features that I'm going to get into in the full review. And I'm going to save any other observations about sound until then. But from the few minutes I've spent with this and this, the power is there and the detail is there. I just need to spend a little bit more time with it to kind of nail down overall performance in that regard. Getting back to the rest of the package contents, you do get a few accessories. You get a very nice, actually, braided USB-A to USB-C cable for charge and sync. You get a few what appear to be replacements for the squishy screen protector that I don't much like. Also a nice thought, and if it works for you, that might be very convenient, but not much use for me. They did include one of these sort of squishy rubber TPU cases. I like this. I may or may not use it. I would have probably preferred to pay $429 or $439 instead of $399 and just get a leather case. I know they do sell one. I'll probably look into buying that, but in the meantime, this is nice to have in there to protect the glass front and back panels of your shiny new player. So that's that. You get a little bit of documentation that comes in the form of a woefully incomplete manual, a warranty registration card in Chinese, a QC check certificate that is not filled out, and a pair of these adorable high-res audio stickers that you can go ahead and put in ironic places. That's it for the HiBy R5 as far as an unboxing goes. If you're interested in buying this device and you also want to support this channel on Amazon's dollar, then please check out the affiliate link in the video description. With that, I'd like to invite you to check back in a few days for my full review of the iFi X-Can, and in about a week for a full review of this unit. That's it for me, the Armchair Audiophile, reminding you that life is too short for bad headphones.